Raju and I'm a practicing psychologist from Margao. Today we will talk about supporting your mental health while working from home. Due to the COVID and the lockdown, a lot of us are working from home, and while there are certainly a lot of benefits to that, there are also some drawbacks. And to me, the most obvious drawback is the dilution of the boundaries between our work and personal lives, which can have a negative impact on our mental health. So what it is that you can do to take care of your mental health while working from home? To begin with, break your workday, structure it, and have dedicated time slots when you're going to work and dedicated time slots for yourself and your family members. Set the boundaries which are getting oh so diluted right now. Secondly, it's important to be connected with friends and family members. I understand that because of an overexposure to the screen time due to working from home throughout the day, there could be a certain burnout. But that makes it all the more necessary that you remove some time and talk to your friends in other cities and other areas than yours and spend some time with your family and loved ones. If you have kids at home, go play with them, spend some time away from your gadgets and stay connected, whether virtually with those not living with you and physically with those with you. It's also extremely important to stick to a routine. With our work-life schedules getting a bit haywire, our routines are also being tossed out of the window. So the first thing to do in order to take care of your mental health would be to set a particular routine. Have set times of waking up, going off to sleep, lunchtime, tea time, pretty much like what you would have done if you were working outside of the house. So establish a routine, and most importantly, learn to say no to work at odd hours. Because you're working from home, it doesn't mean that you're open for work at 9 or 12 in the night. So identify if you are giving in more than you would have given under traditional circumstances and take a step back. And lastly, and most importantly, it's important that you take care of yourself. Self-care goes a long way in ensuring our mental health. And therefore, take some time out for yourself. Eat well, sleep well, exercise a little bit, meditate. There are different kinds of meditation, easily accessible videos that you would find online. Even if 10 to 15 minutes you are able to meditate, that's good enough. And see if you can find a hobby, develop a hobby, maybe reading, cooking, coloring. The idea here is not to be productive, but the idea here is to keep yourself engaged in something other than your work, and also remove some time to just be with yourself. So do whatever it takes and know that this too shall pass. Take care of yourself, your mental health, and most importantly, stay safe. Bye.